To speed up web development, we should enable hot refresh feature, and to enable it in VS Code, we should install a extension. So in the VS Code, the fifth icon in the left panel, it is for the extension market. So you shouldn't be seeing it if you have not installed this extension. So go to the search bar and type live server. So after typing live server, we can go to the extension page. And if you have not installed it yet, it will be the install button here. So after clicking it and wait for a while, it will be installed. And now we can go to the Explorer tab. So we should open a folder, which is project directory, and we can right click to create a new file. So hot refresh is for HTML file only. So let's say, for example, if a file name called Gordon, and now we can do some boilerplate, which is this one, with an exclamation mark tab, and now we can type something here. Okay, for example, type something here, and now we can see that it is not refreshed yet because we have not started the server yet. To start it, there are two ways. The first way is click the go live here at the lower right bottom. So this one is for initiating live server. Another way is to right click on an HTML file and click the select the open with live server option. So let's click on it. And now after waiting for a while, it will say that it is appearing here. So it is hot refresh directly. And the URL is 127.0.0.1. So this is hot refresh. And if we make some changes, for example, we say hello, recording. We make some changes and save it, we can see that it is hot refresh directly. So this is the basic usage of the live server. And do we need to switch it off? Actually, when we close the browser, it is switched off. Or when we close the VS Code, it is switched off. But if you want to switch off manually, we can click here. So we can click the pot with the stop sign, or we can right click the stop live server here. But we have one point to note. Sometimes things will happen weird. So if we click the stop the live server here, and now suppose we have a script tab, which is going to point to a source file called Gordon.js, for example. So if we create this JavaScript file in the directory, and then type something, right? If we have a console log in the JavaScript, and now if we go to the JavaScript file, and if we right click here, we don't see open with live server option because JavaScript file is not for opening live server. But suppose we go to the JavaScript file and click go live here, then it will start like this. So the server will start like a directory view. So this is the rare thing because this is what happens when we start a server in a page, not a HTML file. But if we want to solve this problem, we can stop the server first and rename this HTML file. So for example, if we rename it to index, and then now if we go back to the JavaScript file and start the live server, then it will become showing us the index.html. So even if we don't start it in the HTML file, if we start it in any other type of file, it will go to the index.html in the root of this directory. So that's it. Thank you. Bye bye.